We've been producing daily or almost daily YouTube videos on this channel for over 5 years now, and it feels like we've covered every type of bizarre aviation-related story you could think of. But inevitably, a piece of news comes up that proves that things can always get weirder. A recent story out of Airbus Canada's Mirabel facility is a prime example, where it seems like a family of raccoons had made their way in and caused damage to some aircraft. We take a closer look for today's video. As reported by Reuters on May 30th, a family of raccoons had made their way into Airbus's facility at Mirabel, just outside of Montreal, Canada. The invasion is a strange and unwelcome disturbance in an already stretched thin production line, adding to issues of part shortages and supply chain problems. Reuters sources tell the media outlet that 5 baby raccoons and their mother were found inside the A220 facility. The discovery was made after the mother raccoon was seen climbing the landing gear of an A220 airframe. A guy came face to face with the raccoon after having entered the plane, a factory worker was quoted as saying. A second source told Reuters that damage included urine and chewed wires. As a result of the discovered damage, Airbus workers will need to thoroughly inspect, clean up and repair any aircraft components on affected aircraft. A source told the media, "We had to open everything back up to inspect," while Airbus confirmed that the animals had been relocated to a safe location. And so, if you're keeping track of A220 deliveries and you notice some delays with a few airframes, it might be due to these cute and furry critters. While this recent raccoon invasion is more intrusive than other aviation encounters with nature, it's notable that jets parked for longer amounts of time outdoors have had animals make homes in aircraft components. For example, we reported in 2021 that Australian aviation regulators had reported evidence of wasp nests completely blocking pitot tubes, fuel tank vents and drains. The regulator recommended pilots of planes large and small install pitot/static and vent covers anytime the aircraft is parked. Birds nesting inside parked aircraft are another common problem. In 2020, we reported that a bird's nest was found inside a Vueling Airbus A320 while maintenance was being carried out on the parked aircraft. The nest was discovered underneath the A320's wing. In April 2019, Virgin Australia engineers spotted an owl napping in the engine of a plane parked at Melbourne Airport. The owl, discovered during pre-flight checks, was released back into the wild. Have you ever heard of anything similar to this recent raccoon incident at Airbus facilities? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.